guys, welcome back to our channel. Today it's just me, Michelle, and I'm doing something really special and it's going to be like a little memory. So for those of you who don't know, I've written a book called Lost in History, and today I'm unboxing this huge package which is just filled with copies of my book so that I can distribute them. And I'm just really excited to see, I don't know, my own book, I guess, because I worked on it so hard. So let's start. Okay, so that's open. Ooh, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Wait. A bunch of paper. And my book. Guys, would you believe it? It's mine, it's me. Would you by any chance recognize this person? It's me. My book. I've written it and I'm so super proud of myself. If any of you guys are interested in actually buying Lost in History, we'll put a link in the description because this book is on Amazon, and for any customers in Ireland it's also in buythebooks.ie, where you can get a signed copy, which is what I'm doing today. I'm just signing copies of the book. So I'm going to take out a bunch of these. Here we go. Put them here for the minute and take this off the table. Oh, so So, now I have my little bundle of books and I can start. So right now I'm actually signing this book for one of my friends that bought it, and her name is Molly. And I know she's going crazy right now watching this video, saying that like, oh my gosh, I'm on Michelle's YouTube channel. But anyways, so I'm going to sign this book for her. So yeah. And that's my first book done. Adding a bit of colour. Molly, this is yours. So let's sign the rest.
Michelle, there's way more books for you to sign.
I know.
Like, look, you have like a whole entire more box to like sign.
It's so many, I can't believe it myself. Wow.
This is a lot of books for her to sign.
Is this my homework? I had no homework today, so I think Rachel's giving me homework. Are you just going to put them all here?
No, maybe that's enough for now.
So many.
Oh my
God.
That is so many. There's way more though. Like, there's so many left in here. This is so many. Look how many is left back in here.
So, for today, that's all, guys. And like I said, make sure you check out the 2 links in the description box. I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button.
Bye.
Thanks once again, and bye.